All right, so I'm currently sitting here and I have patiently waited for FOMC to shake itself out today here on the NQ. Just kind of sitting here. I've got my eye down here on my day ranger. As you can see, over the last 30 days, we've had some pretty, well, they're not tiny ranges, but they're relatively small compared to what we've been seeing here over the last week with the NASDAQ, week of September 17th for the 12-14 contract. So looking at what we had yesterday, we had that huge run up. Let me back up and show that to you guys really quick. Nice run that gave us a massive 250 ticks. Today we're currently at 152, and looking at the average 5, we've got about 171 3/4. And here we're looking for 10 days at 156. So I'm just going to kind of be patient here. I'm still a little cautious due to the fact that we are in the FOMC. Oh, here we've got a counter trend signal right here. Nice counter trend signal. I am going to step off of this though, because looking here at my Eagle band, I am not going to be interested in taking this particular trade as I am trading against my hard edge right here, which is located right at about 40.62. So I'm going to sit tight. We had a nice run up. We broke the highs of the day. Again, FOMC day. FOMC, so we need to be really cautious. And I'm just going to be patient and wait for the proper trade signal to set up. However, we do have a valid counter trend signal right here. Nice red filter from the Eagle filter. We are dipping down into our Eagle band, and our Falcon signals are telling us that we did have a short signal. All right, so there's my buy warning dot right there. I'm going to throw my order up here. Easy one-click entry.
Order pending.
And I can move the order away or into the position when the signal makes itself available. All right, so there is my signal. I missed it. That's okay.
Order pending.
All right, well, I have filled on this particular trade. Let us see if we run back up there to the high of the day. Currently trading 3. I've got 2 on there at target 1, and then I've also got my second target up here with a quantity of 1. Notice I have the break-even plus 1 parameter set here. So it looks like I've got my first 2 targets off.
Order canceled.
As I mentioned, I'm going to be cautious as we are in an FOMC time of day here, and we were getting close to that high. So nice, not a bad trade. Not a bad trade. 2 of them off at target number 1. I'm getting yet another signal right here. Remember guys, FOMC day, it can be some hairy, scary stuff. Can't tell you how many traders don't even trade this day at all. So let's be patient and let's wait for our next signal. I'll tell you what, once again, the real beauty with the Trailblazer is I love this one-click entry.
Order pending.
I can park this buy stop up here and I can move it wherever and wherever I wanted. Lucked out here on this particular trade as far as I popped. I missed out, however, the order remained. So I had a chance to pull it back to the signal right here at my easy to spot hash mark. So I've got one small winner under my belt. Let's see what's going to happen here with the remainder of the day for FOMC. Again, guys, FOMC day. We got to be really cautious with what we're doing. Okay, so we've been waiting around here for a few minutes. Please bear in mind that should this bar close at or below 73 1/4, which we see right here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scrub this trade. We have broken the highs of the day all the way off of the lows from the FOMC announcement. However, not sure if we're going to continue to reach for those highs again. But then again, we just don't know, now do we? All right, well, I have filled on that order, and like I said, with FOMC, I'm going to be ultra cautious here. I want to see this trade go my way as fast as possible because we are at the highs of the day. As you can see, Trailblazer has already picked up my stop on this particular trade. All right, there we go. I'd like to get a few more ticks there. I'd love to clear 79 3/4. And then once I do, watch this cool feature. And I can go to break even plus or minus. I'm going to go to break even plus 2. Ready? Boom. There's my stop. One click. Nice. Let's get that first target. Being ultra cautious today, guys. It's an FOMC day. Come on, get up there. There we go. First 2 targets are off. First 2 targets are off. Excellent, excellent. Now, I have protected break even plus 2. As again, I hate to sound like a broken record, but it's an FOMC day. Anything can happen, guys. Anything. If I can break 82 3/4 here, I might switch my stops. I'll show you guys how to do that. It's really, oh, there we go. Perfect. I'm going to go to the proprietary bar high, bar low. I'm going to switch this guy down here to low. And I'll tell you what, I am going to trail 2 bars back with a 1 tick offset. So that puts me right there. This trade is either going to go or it's not. All I've got to do, I can see my orange line where my stop is going to be. Before I accept the stop, I'm going to go ahead and just accept it right here. Come on, guys. Break 83 3/4. Let's go. Let's go. Run it up. Must have been some good news coming out of the government today. I want to protect and grab as much profit as I possibly can. These are some of the toughest days to trade, guys. Toughest days. And here we are. We've already booked 1 winner. Not a hugie, but I'll tell you what, it was a quick, easy buck. And I've already got my first 2 targets off on this particular trade here. Number 2 for the day. And again, remember, FOMC, always be careful, my friends. Be careful. Tell you what, it feels like we're stalling out to me. Check this out. Like I said, the cool thing with being able to move the flags, just like Chart Trader, I can change my profit target.
Order canceled.
And there I go. I took my $100. Nice trade. Look at that. Look at that. $310 on 3 lots. Quick, easy trades. Looks like we're stalling out here, guys. And again, it is an FOMC day. So on the more difficult days like FOMC, heavy news days, you just be careful. Be careful. Take what you can get and get on with it. Let's go ahead and let's keep an eye on this trade and see where we would have wound up had I have left the second position on. All right, guys. Well, there we have it. I would have been KO'd on my stop right here. Looks like I made the right decision. So you might be asking yourself the question, how does he know? How did he know to pull his target back right here? How did he know that was coming? You know, the simple answer is this. It's experience. And you know what? When you buy the Raptor trading system, not only do you get a great set of signals, you also get an excellent money management strategy with automated trailing stops, and you also get the education that comes with it. Okay, guys, the closer we get to cash close, I got about 5 minutes, the more interest I lose. Well, all right, guys, I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at ray@indicatorwarehouse.com. Thanks, and have a great day.